Hey guys, what's up? It's Taylor. Welcome back to our channel. Today I am unboxing the Walmart beauty box. This is the summer box. I never know what box it is. Let's go with summer. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. That is all for the intro. Let's get into the unboxing. A little bit about the box before we get started. The box is free with $5 shipping, making the total only $5. It's a seasonal beauty box, so it has products from makeup all the way to nail care. Well, speaking of nail care, okay, this is a good box. We'll have to go first. Oh, it's the spring box. So this is the spring beauty So this is the spring box according to the little card. I thought we already unboxed the spring box, but I guess not. And it comes with a coupon for Suave hair care. But let's get into the actual box now. So the first product we have is the Suave Curl Defying Cream for natural curly and coily hair. It has natural shea butter and pure coconut oil. Next up we have a magnesium supplement that is raspberry and lemon flavor. Next up, we have the Hello Anti-Plaque and Whitening Fluoride-Free Toothpaste and Natural Peppermint with tea tree oil and coconut oil. I feel like this may be my 5th or 6th product from Hello. Walmart seems to always include a toothpaste or something from them, so if you like this brand, that's good, but yeah. Speaking of Hello, next up we have a charcoal-infused tapered bristle toothbrush. It is BPA-free and natural-friendly. Next up, we have the Biore Rose Quartz and Charcoal Cleanser, and it says it's suited for oily skin. Last but not least, we have these Salon Perfect press-on nails that are blue marble with gold trimming. Not really trimming, but you know, it has gold accents. So that was the final product in the box. This was a really good box overall. My favorite product is definitely the press-on nails, which again are probably going on tonight. This is still one of my favorite subscription boxes because it's only $5 and you get to try new products and they're usually different. I said before in the last video, I usually get razors, which I'm glad this quarter I didn't. So yeah, if you guys want to check out Walmart beauty box for yourself, I don't know what happened to my voice. If you want to check out Walmart beauty box for yourself, I'll leave a link in the description. That's all for the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. And thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.